Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is all about the best Shopify themes on Envato Market. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get the best Shopify themes on Envato Market, and we're going to compare prices and show you why it is better to opt for Envato Market themes than Shopify's own themes. So let's begin. Envato is a very popular website and they provide so many things for graphic artists, graphic designers, and all kind of people. It ranges from WordPress themes to Shopify themes and a lot more. Depending on what you want, Envato has different platforms. So we are on Envato Market, but they also have Envato Elements. So over here, you can see they've got a lot of things, as you can see on the top over here. But before we check out the Shopify themes on Envato Market, let's just go to the Shopify theme store. So this is Shopify's theme store. And you can see over here that I'm on the page of all themes. And on the left side, you can see that there are a total of 123 paid themes and 12 free themes. So if you've got to use it, whether it is from the free or from the paid themes, you know that you have very limited options over here. And all of the themes are displayed over here. You can see that they are pretty expensive. And even if you see the free ones, it's very simple, nothing that will make your store stand out on Shopify. So if you want a store that's unique, people come and check out, and you want a good theme for that, then Shopify theme store is not the place you need to be looking at, because while I'm scrolling, you can see that these are pretty good themes, but nothing extraordinary, nothing that will make your store stand out. Which is why we recommend this platform, that is Envato Market. Now let's check out the Shopify themes on this platform. So you can see that there is the Shopify tab over here, or else you can go to e-commerce, and over here also there is Shopify. So this is the page for Shopify's themes and templates on Envato Market, and you can see that there are over 1,600 Shopify themes and templates, which is really good. So while scrolling down, you can see that there are different categories. We have weekly bestsellers. We've got hot under $49. We have new bestsellers, top fashion items, top Shopify shopping themes, and a lot more. So you can see while scrolling down itself, each theme has a very unique look, making the store stand out, and the pricing is pretty decent. Now let's go to this section, which is the top Shopify shopping themes, because that's what we are here for. Let's move that out of the way, and you can see that there are so many themes over here. Now, how do you select the best theme from all these themes? Well, we've got a certain set of criteria that you need to check out. So the first thing is obviously the price, then the rating and review, number of reviews, and then how many sales has that theme made, and when was it last updated on. Like you can see over here, this was last updated on 14th of April. And then this one was 1st of May, which is very recent. So the more recent the theme was updated, the better, because you know that the theme makers are constantly on the go of improving their UX and UI of the website. So anyway, if you want to check out the best one over here, let's just sort it out by the best rated. And we've got this one. This one has 8 ratings and all are 5-star, and it's got 68 sales. Let's see the trending ones, but those are not good in their sales and they have not been reviewed. So if you see the best sellers itself, this one is standing out with 136 sales. So let's just check out what's this theme all about. It's called Artistic, and right under the name, you can see that these are some of the highlights of this theme. You have the drag and drop Shopify section builder. It's easy to install, responsive, and it is multi-purpose, clean, modern, and attractive design. Let's just click over here and go through what exactly is this theme about. So this is the details of the theme, and you can see the pricing over here, and you've got a lot of information over here. So now this one seems to be made specially for artisans. So you can see that these are some woodwork. So if someone wants to open a shop for these kind of items on Shopify, this theme would be really good. Now let's just check out some of the websites that they have under this theme. Now, if you hover your cursor over here, you can see there is this live preview. If you click on that, the website opens in a new page. And that's how it looks like on the desktop. And you can see that there are these features that are highlighted, like fonts, color schemes, PSD files included, and a lot of other things that you can see if you scroll down. And online store 2.0, which means this is an updated version, and it has the drag drop Shopify builder, as it's saying over here. Highly attractive responsive design. Let's move that out of the way. This is how it'll look on a tablet. This is how it'll look like on a mobile. So these are certain details that you can see on any theme. Now the good thing about this is you can also get a live demo by clicking on this button called live demo. So you need to enter the password over there, and this is how the website will look like. You can see it's very chic, very modern, and simple. So things are really neutral over here. I've not got too bright colors. I think it goes very well in sync with the theme itself, which is for artists. So you can see there are a lot of products over here mentioned. So this is how the shop will look like once you have purchased the theme artistic, and you can see the products details are all over here. These are how the products will look like latest item, or you can go to trending item or even bestseller. So if you have best selling products, it'll be shown like this. And when you hover the cursor over each image of the product, you can see that there are variants being shown, which is really good. Deal of the day is a section that they have included, and you've got the timer going on over here. That's also an excellent feature. So overall you can see it is pretty neat and clean. The people who have made artistic have really worked hard on this, because they have included a lot of things like featured products and this timer thing for the deal of the day, and a lot of other things like what is on discount, what you can shop for. You've got categories over here, and even the scrolling function over here is there, so you can scroll through, and that is really good. So on top you can see that there are these different tabs, and hovering the cursor on it opens up the categories underneath design. And you got blog, more, so many things. Really good. It's a very clean design if you ask me. This is a 10 on 10 design, and this is how your website will look like if you opt for artistic. Now going back to the preview on Envato Market, you can see that this has got a live demo, which is what we have seen. That's another good thing about Envato Market. The makers of certain themes will give you a live demo, so you can see in real how your website will look like if you opt for that theme. This is something that is very good compared to the Shopify theme store. So that was about artistic. Now, if you go back to the Envato Market list, you can see this is the pricing level. Like the max I can see over here is $69. I don't think anything is going above that. Everything is within that limit. And if you compare that with Shopify's themes, look at this. There is nothing that's going like below 200. Everything is $340, $320, $320, $300. I see that everything is really expensive. And not only that, you don't have a lot of customization options. The UI UX is pretty simple. There's nothing that will make your shop stand out on Shopify. So the best option for you is to go for a theme from this one, which is the Envato Market theme store. So that was all about how you can get the best Shopify theme from Envato Market. We truly hope this video has been helpful to you. To let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.